I've always been a very active outdoor person, both my husband and I. Hiking, walking, we decided to celebrate our 60th birthday doing Bloomsday. By the end of the race, I could barely walk when I knew then that something was seriously wrong. So then I went to my internist and she diagnosed the rheumatoid arthritis and then directed me to the rheumatologist, and that's where my treatments began. That was 6 years ago. By the third year after seeing him, the pain was coming back, and then it was worse than ever. I went in to see my internist again, and I said, okay, if it was you or a family member, who would you go to? And that's when she gave me Dr. Linthicum's name. The idea of it was frightening. I was nervous about the thought, I thought seeing an orthopedic surgeon meant you were definitely going to have surgery, and I didn't even know what that entailed. He explained everything and was actually able to show me where the damage was and that I had actually even been wearing down bone at that point. He patiently answered every question on my list. He never once acted like, well, we got to hurry up here, like it is with some doctor office visits. After the surgery, the next thing I remember in waking up, the room is wonderful. I had people around me all the time. I didn't have to worry about where was a nurse, what to do. I was really shocked when I said, well, I think I need to use the restroom. And they said, well, let's get up and go. But I just had surgery. I fully expected that I would stand and it would be horrid. And it wasn't. It was easier and easier and easier as it went on. Yeah, it was unbelievable. I had been in so much pain for 3 years prior to the surgery. I used a walker. I couldn't stand for any length of time. I couldn't do something simple as go to the market without leaning over the cart to hold me up. All of my pain was coming from bone on bone. And it had already started wearing away at the bone, as Dr. Linthicum had shown me. Once that was taken care of, I didn't have any more pain there. But I still had strength. I was able to lift my leg. I was able to stand without this rush of blood and pain going to that surgical area. I never had any need for any pain medication other than the Tylenol. I understand the anxiety about all of that. I was there, I was that person, but I got my life back. You have a chance to get your mobility and your life back. So I just tell people, why would you wait to do that?